Did you know that AgencyAnalytics is more than just a reporting platform? See how agency leaders compare performance across key metrics and industry data with the benchmarks feature in AgencyAnalytics. Working with a new client and want to know how they stack up against the competition? In the Insights tab, open Benchmarks and choose the metric you want to analyze. Let's go with Google Ads conversion rate. Benchmarks generates a graph showing the median conversion rate across industries, plus where your client stands against typical campaigns for that metric and channel. Drill down further by selecting a specific industry. It's perfect for setting KPIs with potential or existing clients in targeted industries, like law firms. Select your specific data point in question, such as the average cost per click on Google Ads. Instantly compare your client's cost per click against industry benchmarks for sharper campaign insights. Want to highlight this data on your dashboard? No problem. Simply click on the 3 dots of the Cost Per Click widget. Select Add to Dashboard. See a clear view of the cost per click each month and how the client is stacking up against competitors. Where did these numbers come from? The feature sources anonymized data from over 150,000 marketing accounts to create accurate industry benchmarks. Pretty cool, right? Happy analyzing! And don't forget to start a free trial of AgencyAnalytics to see how you stack up today.